Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to download and install VirtualBox on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and search for VirtualBox and then go into this website virtualbox.org. Then click on this download button. Now select the platform Linux distributions. Now choose the appropriate package for your Linux distribution. I am going to download VirtualBox for Ubuntu 24.04. It may take a while for downloading, and also download VirtualBox extension pack. Click on the accept and download button. After a successful download, open a new terminal and navigate to downloads folder by cd command, and then write this command to install VirtualBox with sudo privilege sudo dpkg-i, and then write the package name with .deb extension, then hit enter. Now enter the password for the user. Okay, if you get this error, you can fix this with this command sudo apt install -f, hit enter. Now type y and hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while for installing VirtualBox. That's it. Now verify the installation. Search for VirtualBox and open VirtualBox Manager. Now I am going to install VirtualBox extension pack. Click on this three-dot icon and then select extensions. Click on install button. Browse Oracle VirtualBox extension pack and open. Now click on the install button. You can read the license agreement. Click on I agree button. Enter the password for your system user. That's it. Oracle VirtualBox extension pack installed successfully. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.